Plaza, and it's right by 4, so we decided to stop at Waffle House. And right down there is Disney Springs, so it's very convenient for both. But this is Waffle House. It's a chain restaurant, and they specialize in their hash browns. So let's go in and have a nice breakfast. It is about 2 o'clock, but we thought we'd get something to eat. Well, thank you very much. Thank you. Hi, how are you? 2, please.
2 please. Right here.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Right, anytime.
Thank you. Okay, so here is the menu. Breakfast. Waffle House. Cheesesteak. Sausage or bacon eggs. They have a junior and a senior meal. Signature melts, 2 eggs, hash browns, and beverages. I'm going to turn the menu over. Okay, so here is their specialty, the hash browns. Smothered is sauteed onions, covered is cheese, chunked is hickory smoked ham, diced is tomatoes, peppered is jalapenos, topped is Burt's chili, country is gravy. They have lunch and dinner sides, beverages, burgers, chicken sandwiches, the melts, or you could get a combination. Bacon chicken melt plate. And here's the senior or the junior meal. You get a choice of 1 entree, grilled cheese, grilled chicken bites, hamburger, cheeseburger with hash browns, choice of 1, grits, toast, and you can choose any beverage. That's $8.50. Okay, so let's see what we're going to get. Do that. Let me just do. Glen got the Philly cheesesteak. I got the crispy bacon and the hash browns with onions and cheese. All right, dig in.
How do you get chicken?